Archimedes, one of Greece's most influential mathematicians, physicist, inventor, astronomer, and engineer. He was born on the ancient Greek island of Syracuse. This was in the year 287 BC, and he eventually died in 212 BC. Now, one day Archimedes was met with the challenge by Hieros, the king of Syracuse. He had to prove that the goldsmith did not make his crown from pure gold like the king said. Archimedes was at a public bath when he realized that when he got in, some of the water spilled out over the side. Now this made him think, if he took a glass of water and then the king's crown and put the crown in the water, it would spill some over sides. If he caught the spilled water, the volume would be equal to the volume of the crown. He was so pleased of his finding that he walked home shouting "Eureka," which in English translates to "That's it." The water that spills over is displaced, and its volume is equal to the volume of the crown. But how did that help his situation? Well, he first found the volume of silver, which the goldsmith supposedly used to make the crown. Next, he tried the gold, which had a higher volume. Now for the crown, it didn't displace as much water as the gold, so it must have been made out of an alloy of silver and gold. Okay, Archimedes didn't invent levers, but he did publish work on the mechanics behind them in his book, On the Equilibrium of Planes. Greek philosopher Plutarch said that Archimedes did in fact come up with the block and tackle pulley that allowed sailors to use knowledge of leverage to pull objects that would be too heavy to otherwise move. Later, Olympiodorus credited Archimedes for the invention of a biroclass, which was more of a windlass rather than a lever. Archimedes once said that mathematics reveals its secrets only to those who approach it with pure love for its own beauty. So we can conclude that Archimedes' Eureka moment came from his discovery of water displacement, but he also influenced the modern world through mechanics, engineering, and astrology. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.